Hi everyone, welcome back to Lab Repair. I will show you 40 hidden symbols in Microsoft Word that you should know as a pro PC user. Let's go. Type 2610 plus Alt and X for empty square. Type 2611 plus Alt and X for right answer. And 2612 plus Alt and X for wrong answer. Arrows. Type 2190 plus Alt and X for left arrow. 2192 plus Alt and X for right arrow, 2191 plus Alt and X for up arrow, 2193 plus Alt and X for down arrow, 21B6 plus Alt and X for undo arrow, 21B7 plus Alt and X for redo arrow, 21C4 plus Alt and X for double arrow, 2665 plus Alt and X for heart symbol, 2666 plus Alt and X for diamond symbol, 2663 plus Alt and X for club symbol, 2660 plus Alt and X for spade symbol, 2022 plus Alt and X for bullet point, 25 CF plus Alt and X for black circle, 25 CB plus Alt and X for white circle, 25 A0 plus Alt and X for black square, 25 A1 plus Alt and X for white square. Music symbols. Type 26 6A plus Alt and X for single note and 26 6B plus Alt and X for double note. Type 26A0 plus Alt and X for warning sign, 26A1 plus Alt and X for high voltage, 2622 plus Alt and X for radioactive, 2623 plus Alt and X for biohazard, 26D4 plus Alt and X for no entry, 1 F6 AB plus Alt and X for forbidden sign, and 2620 plus Alt and X for skull danger sign. Gender symbols. Type 1 F6 B9 plus Alt and X for male symbol, and 1 F6 B A plus Alt and X for female symbols. Type 26 3A plus Alt and X for white smiley face, and 26 3B plus Alt and X for black smiley face. Type 26 0E plus Alt and X for telephone sign, 26 00 plus Alt and X for sun sign, 26 01 plus Alt and X for cloud sign, 26 02 plus Alt and X for umbrella sign, 2603 plus Alt and X for snowman sign, 26 2F plus Alt and X for yin yang sign, 2690 plus Alt and X for white flag, and tell me the black flag sign in the comment. So that's it, 40 hidden symbols in Microsoft Word. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more computer tricks.